Cả công ty trong cả shulkas mat shul tribe trong cả yang gabang tho an ka Eklavya haksmi balang kala pelong ye jing Jurip nya ka EMRS kemudian Pahamsyiem nongpo on bishar bernya ya jing par ka jing kare joy kam trong ka ya ka jing Jurip lailam do chairman ka committee ubadairu MLA kanong stan uba Gabriel walang hakabala senran lang ru daud ka committee ka Dr. Mezil Amprin Lingdo mat MLA kanong po u Shri Melbourne Siem.
We have come from the SCST Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Committee to inspect the EMRS school at Pahamsyiem today. And our inspections, we just want to see that how the school is functioning since it's recently been inaugurated, how it has been operated, how is the functioning, whether the school is in a good conditions or not, whether the staff and the teachers are there or not. And we found that the staff are there, but there are some issues that the school is raising regarding the water, internet facilities and so many things. It is a very good opportunity that we have visit today since the EMRS school has just started in our state of Meghalaya. So this, we just want to see that when we come and visit, and we want to see that the rest of the EMRS school that being going to be inaugurated in near future should have proper facilities for the students, for the teachers, and for everyone. And we have come today to see, we checked about the girl hostels, and we see that there are so many facilities are lacking in the girl hostels. So these are the things that we can raise this to our government, to tell the government that these are our findings and what solution could be made from our findings.